When you're doing these hand-eye coordination videos and when you're doing the blind drawings that I'm having you do, what we're trying to do is we're trying to sync the motion of our eye up to the motion of our hand. So if my eye looks up and left, my hand is going to move up and left. My eye moves down to the right, my hand's going to move down to the right. So you should be on the hand-eye coordination videos, pulling up the video that's bringing you to YouTube. There's going to be a little cursor on the screen and the cursor is going to move around. You should be doing this on a larger screen. It's going to be difficult to do on your phone because that cursor is going to be really small. So the largest screen you have, you pull up the hand-eye coordination video. And then as your eye follows the cursor around the screen, you should have your hand in your lap where you can't see the drawing. And if your eye moves up, your hand moves up. Your eye moves right, your hand moves right. Same thing when we're doing these blind things where we're touching something. It's like the point of this finger moves around the object, the hand follows it. So I'll do this on the board here. This is my left, I'm right-handed, but I'm going to have my left hand lead the dance here. Now the left hand is what my eye is following, and then I'm going to have my right hand just follow that motion. So if I'm drawing a face here, and came out a little wacky, but if you have the hands moving at the same time together, it's the same idea as following my eye as I go around. So that's the idea with the hand-eye coordination videos and with any of the blind drawing things, is that your hand is either following the hand that's touching or eventually your hand is just following the motion of your eye. And that's going to help you develop really good hand-eye coordination, and that will make you much better at drawing.